Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day today. Today I'm going to show you how I make these cute little lucky stars. A simple way that I make these that are actually easy on your fingers than the normal method, which is actually pinching. It's a very pretty day in Florida. I just wanted to share my view with you. Alright, this is the things that you're going to need to make this, and really just any paper that you want to use that has a pattern to it or something that you think is really pretty. You're going to cut 12" by 1/4 inch wide. You're going to need a pair of scissors, and this is to cut off the ends that you don't need. And also something that you can use to make your creases. I like to use the Cricut scraping tool for the mat. Alright, what you want to do is take one of the strips and you want to hold it closer to the end, and you're kind of going to make a U shape with it, and take the smaller end and loop it over and make a kind of like you're making a knot. But what you're trying to do is actually make an L shape. You're kind of making a corner, and it's going to be a little hard to do with this paper. It can be a little bit tricky, but just work with it very gently until you've got a corner. Once you have your corner made and it's fairly straight, it doesn't have to be perfect, you want to turn it over, and the side that's the shortest, you want to tuck that underneath. But you're going to have to cut off some of the excess, so you can do so. Alright, now you take that and you fold it underneath. And you are ready to start on the folding. Now turn it over to where the wrong side is facing up. And what you're going to do is fold it down over the right side, the right edge, parallel to it. And then you're going to do the same thing on the left side. Fold it over to the left, parallel to the edge. Make sure you're not making any creases. You want it to be as puffy as possible. You turn it over and you'll do the same thing. Fold it over to the right edge. Flip it and fold it over to the left. And you'll do this until you get to the very end. Make sure that you are not squeezing very hard at all. You're putting very, very light pressure on this when you do the folding. You do not want any creases. Alright, when you get to the end, you're going to do the same thing as before. You are going to cut off the excess so it can be folded underneath. and tuck it in. Alright, now you have got this shape and you can go ahead and start making your creases. So I will take my Cricut tool and I will go in between the points and put just slight pressure to make the creases. You don't want to push too hard. You don't want to accidentally cut your paper. So just a gentle push until you make a good crease. And turn it and do the same thing on the next side. And keep turning and do it on every side until all the sides are creased. Alright, now you have the star shape. You can take your fingers if you need to, just do a little tiny bit of pinching just to give it more definition. You can use different pieces of paper. You can try cardstock, you can try computer paper, just whatever paper you think that would look nice as a star. Now keep in mind, if you do use cardstock, it is a lot harder to make these. It really was kind of hard on my fingers, but it can be done. This is such a cute idea to give a star out to someone you're thinking of. Maybe write a birthday wish inside, or write down a prayer and give it to somebody who needs one. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button and leave a comment below. And also, if you hit the subscribe button, you won't miss out on new videos that I post. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching.